Hey guys, Anthony here, and as you can see I have another awesome Harry Potter Magical Creatures unboxing, and we have none other than Magical Creature number 2, Dobby. Now there is 10 to collect, and I'll put the list of 10 in the description below. Alright, now let's get into it. Take a look around the box. Of course, this is by the Noble Collection. They do some great stuff of movies and TV shows and that. Awesome replicas and all sorts of stuff. Alright. As always, love the display cases. It'd be great if more like figures came out of these. There we go. Alright, take this off. Bit of a mission, that one. As you guys can see in the display case, it's like the hall outside the Great Hall at Hogwarts. And I'm kind of gutted. I got this like little sort of like paint mark thing there, and I can't get it off. Oh well. That's okay. And here's Dobby. Okay guys, I'll get all the plastic and that off him, and I'll be right back. Put the stand back here, because it's got one of those lanterns in the background. Okay guys, and here's Dobby. And as you can tell, he's got Tom Riddle's diary and the sock that Harry gave him. I'll just take this little bit of tape there off. Dobby is the free elf. Put him on there, on his little stand. Oh, carefully now. There we go guys. Dobby from Harry Potter. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you like what I do here, please subscribe by clicking my picture up here. And you can also watch another one of my videos over here. And I'll see you guys in the next one.